everyone, welcome back to Shri Maya. I am Rituparna Chatterjee. Shri Maya is a clothing brand and I'm a fashion designer. So today in this video, I am going to show you some very interesting traditional saris of India. Actually, there are many traditional saris, but here I am going to show you as much saris as I can because I have grabbed all these traditional saris from my mom's wardrobe. She's actually having an amazing collection of beautiful traditional saris, and I'm going to tell you the specialities of the saris and from where they actually belong, the price range, the every beautiful possible things about the saris. So let's roll into the video. Baluchari silk sari are from Baluchar, place in Murshidabad, West Bengal. They are very popular as they are very designer yet traditional. They are a class in themselves and considered as asset and been carried on to generation, starting from rupees 5,000. It has been said that the weaver tell stories in the achal and it is the main part of the sari. It is also said that the weavers take inspiration from Ramayana and Mahabharata and shows it in the achal. Kanjivaram silk sari are from Tamil Nadu, India. They are very famous in bright and bold colors. Here, the inspiration is taken from Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Bhagavad Gita. The motifs are used such as temple, places, painting, and also from tribal design. The sari take around 10 to 12 days to prepare, and if the sari is decorative, it take around 20 days. It starts from rupees 2,000 and goes as high the work is. Here, the body and the pallu of the saris are made separately and then joined together. Taj sari, West Bengal. It is very comfortable sari. The airy and soft texture of the sari make it very comfortable for women to wear it during summer season. The starting range of the sari is 700 rupees. It is found in many vibrant and bright colors. The motifs here are used, taken inspiration from some artistic work and floral or funa. Here, a simple sari takes around 10 to 12 hours to get ready, and if the sari is designer or having some intricate design, could even take around 5 to 6 days to complete. They are starched and processed some more to make them finer and strong. They are very comfortable and also worn during festival such as Durga Puja or even worn as a daily wear. It can paired with gold and bright jewelries. It is very comfortable and actually can wear throughout the days. It is very airy and very soft. This is the Taj sari from Kolkata, very common and very popular. Katha stitch sari from West Bengal. Here, Katha embroidery is done on the sari. Here the sari used is kosa silk, and apart from kosa silk, many other fabrics such as cotton can also be used. The appearance is very classy and also found in many vibrant and bright colors. The starting range of the saris considered to be from 1500 and goes as high the work is. It is very beautiful and carried on generation to generation and considered as a set. They are really very beautiful, shiny, and we can see Indian art directly in this piece of art. Dhakai Jamdani sari from West Bengal. These are originally from Dhaka. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Here the motifs used taken inspiration from flowers. The material used here is very light cotton, starting from rupees 2,500. It takes around 6 to 7 months to prepare. Here, the sari is available in many bright and vibrant colors. It is very soft and its appearance is quite sheer, that is very transparent appearance. It is very comfortable and can worn throughout the day. Pochampalli sari from Telangana. Pochampalli sari is from Bodhan Pochampalli in Telangana. It is also called as Pochampalli Ikkat sari. It is found in many colors and they are very rich in colors, blended in silk and fine cotton, starting from rupees 3000. They are actually been worn especially in the day events. They are very fine and once worn give a very comfortable look and appearance. Bomkai sari from Odisha. It is also known as Sonipuri sari, produced by the Bhulia community of Odisha. Available in silk and cotton, has a tribal touch to it, starting from rupees 2000 and can paired up with gold jewelries. They are very comfortable and very beautiful. Kashmiri sari from Jammu Kashmir. This is a sari in which Kashidakari embroidery is done. In Kashidakari, motifs are taken inspiration from flora and fauna of Jammu Kashmir. The sari is made up of georgette. Apart from sari, we can also find suit, shawls and different home decor items done in this Kashidakari embroidery. This is very comfortable and giving a very elegant appearance. Bichitrapuri sari from Odisha. They are double ikkat sari. Features big pashapalli, that is checkerboards. Traditionally, these saris were available in black and maroon color only. Main source of inspiration as far as considered from colors and pattern is to be the Lord of Puri, that is Lord Jagannatha. The beauty is how the weft is interwoven with golden and silk thread, creating a very beautiful and rich fabric in appearance and texture. This is the Bichitrapuri sari from Odisha. Chanderi sari from Madhya Pradesh. It is the traditional sari of Madhya Pradesh. The weaving culture of Chanderi emerged in 2nd century, but Chanderi sari tradition began in the 13th century. It is found in pure silk, Chanderi cotton and silk cotton. They are very comfortable, very beautiful and found in many different color options. This starts from rupees 1500 and goes as high the quality is. So this was all about my today's video. I hope you found my video very interesting and informative, and please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until for the next time, take care.